Here, the freshly picked rambutans are quickly unloaded onto the conveyor belt for sorting and packing.
Quality control is a critical step. Workers meticulously inspect the rambutans coming down the line, swiftly removing any damaged fruit and sending it to the rejection chute.
Moving in slow motion, the vibrantly colored rambutan glides towards the automated inspection sensors.
This massive industrial washer handles thousands of rambutans an hour, using specialized brushes to gently scrub the delicate skin before inspection.
Inside the machine, a vigorous wash cycle begins, utilizing soapy water and rotating brushes to clean the intricate surface of the rambutans. Utilizing powerful streams of water, the factory efficiently removes dirt and debris, ensuring only the cleanest fruit moves to the next stage. The specialized rollers grip the rough outer shell, carefully pulling it away while leaving the delicate white flesh completely intact.
The pristine white flesh is gently separated from the shell by the automated peeling station, before moving rapidly down the line for inspection.
Our specialized macro lens reveals the flawless surface of the fruit, highlighting its purity and natural sheen.
Once peeled, the fruit is rapidly transported to the de-seeding station, where specialized mechanisms remove the pits. The team carefully examines the de-seeded fruit halves, checking the texture and color to meet our strict export standards. The clean, seedless rambutan flesh pieces are meticulously positioned on the blue conveyor belt, moving swiftly towards the next crucial processing stage. Welcome to the heart of the operation. These colossal vats and the network of steel piping form the syrup mixing area, built on a truly industrial scale. Water and sugar are combined in the industrial vat. The powerful blades create a vortex, transforming the raw ingredients into a clear syrup solution. The dissolution of the sugar crystals marks a critical phase in production. The dramatic bubbling indicates the intense chemical reaction taking place.
As the heating process intensifies, the temperature gauge climbs steadily. The concentration levels fluctuate.
With the process finalized, the large paddle mixer slows its stirring, revealing the crystal clear, finished syrup. The empty aluminum cans begin their journey, rapidly moving towards the filling station at incredible speed.
Utilizing macro lenses, we see the individual fruit pieces settle into the silver cans, preserving their unique texture and freshness. A cascade of sweet syrup submerges the freshly prepared rambutan, preserving the fruit for canning. The integration of the clear syrup is critical for preserving the delicate rambutan flesh suspended within the can.
As the clear syrup fills the can, the rambutan pieces are gently lifted. The flow stops
Once filled, the cans move rapidly towards the sealing machines, where they are capped at high speed, ready for distribution.
Utilizing extreme pressure, the crimping mechanism deforms the silver metal, interlocking the lid and rim to create an airtight seal.
Shot in ultra-high definition, the precision of this circular crimp pattern is revealed, guaranteeing the integrity of the can lid and ensuring a perfect seal every time.
This transition marks a critical phase. The cans enter the retort, where intense heat and pressure await to sterilize the product.
This massive retort chamber utilizes pressurized steam to sterilize the sealed cans.
To ensure complete sterilization, the temperature must hold steady at precisely 121 degrees Celsius.
The cooling transition begins as the hot sterilized cans meet the water bath. The intense steam is evidence of the rapid temperature exchange. This extreme close-up reveals the Leidenfrost effect in action. The water droplets flash boil as they contact the searing hot metal surface. This rapid immersion creates turbulence, quickly bringing the temperature down and forming condensation on the surface.
After inspection, the unlabeled cans are rapidly fed into the machines, where they will receive their branding.
Utilizing pneumatic precision, the applicator arm grips the continuous roll of yellow labels and wraps them seamlessly around the aluminum cans at high speed. This macro shot reveals the moment the adhesive bonds the label to the can, a seamless application ensuring a perfect finish every time. The silver can, now adorned with the Tropical Delight branding, showcases the rich colors and essential nutritional details before heading to market. Hands rotate the can, meticulously checking the alignment of the label to ensure it meets the factory's stringent quality standards. The labeled cans of super delicious baked beans move rapidly toward the automated boxing station, where machinery prepares them for shipment. The clear adhesive tape is pulled taut and rapidly applied along the carton seam, securing the box closure with mechanical precision. Here, the manual handling team ensures each sealed carton is carefully transferred from the conveyor and stacked securely onto the wooden pallets.
This massive distribution hub handles thousands of pallets daily, preparing goods for shipment across the continent.
In this massive logistics center, pallets are wrapped and moved with pinpoint precision, ready for their journey to the customer. The finished products are arranged in a precise geometric grid, ready for immediate distribution across the country. With industrial production complete, this massive achievement stands ready. These products are now prepared for global distribution. Suspended in crystal clear syrup, the pure white rambutan pieces glisten under the studio lights, revealing their intricate texture.
Harvested at peak ripeness, the rambutans are immersed in this luxurious syrup, preserving their delicate flavor and texture.
Grown in the finest tropical climates, the fruit's flesh glistens with a natural syrup, highlighting its perfect, rich texture.
Shot in stunning 4K detail, the dramatic backlighting reveals the luminous, translucent quality of the rambutan.
Filmed in ultra-slow motion, we observe the viscous nature of the syrup. The strand stretches thin before breaking and reforming into perfect droplets. Here, surface tension battles gravity. The syrup droplet clings to the rambutan, straining until the tension finally breaks, releasing the droplet.
Named after the Malay word for hair, the rambutan's vibrant red skin is covered in these distinctive, fleshy spinterns.
Inside the can, the rambutans are carefully selected and packed in a light syrup, preserving their delicate flavor and ensuring high quality.
A stark contrast between the raw, red exterior and the refined, white flesh. This transformation is the heart of the canning process.
From the tropical orchards, these delicate fruits begin their journey, carefully preserved to be enjoyed across the globe. A journey of transformation concludes with this single, perfect piece of fruit.
Here we oversee the complete transformation, sampling the raw harvest, refining the ingredients, all the way through.
The precision engineering of this crimped seal is mesmerizing. Each fold is perfectly uniform, guaranteeing an airtight environment.
The macro lens reveals the scars of the manufacturing process, a testament to the forces involved in shaping the steel.
This is the beating heart of the factory, where an endless stream of cans moves at incredible speed towards packaging.
After extensive development, the new product Restingiale is complete and ready for the market.
This is the canned rambutan in syrup, a delicacy enjoyed worldwide, produced right here in this facility.
The journey from the raw, vibrant fruit to the finished product in syrup is a complex process ensuring flavor and freshness.
This mesmerizing flow of syrup coats the delicate fruit, a testament to the precision involved in its preparation.